Is there a VIP I'm not sick I'm twisted sick makes it sound like there's a cure shirt? Anyone you even remotely care about. VIP I'm not sick I'm twisted sick makes it sound like there's a cure shirt. Tank top, V-neck. Ladies tee for men and women. Tank top, V-neck. Hell, he could be torpedoing survival of his old raider group. Not saying I wouldn't do it were I in his shoes. Sometimes the call for blood is too loud to ignore. But my kid's going to be strong enough to weather any shit storm his old man causes. I just see it as short-term, gone for VIP I'm not sick I'm twisted sick makes it sound like there's a cure shirt long-term headaches even if he's not going to be around to clean it up. In humans, it will cause acute renal failure if you get a massive dose. 50 to 150 milligrams. In xenos, the effects would vary significantly but it definitely wouldn't be good. Official VIP I'm not sick I'm twisted sick makes it sound like there's a cure sweatshirt. Hoodie, sweatshirt, hoodie. Over time, they're damaged but that wouldn't be immediate. I believe the point to VIP I'm not sick I'm twisted sick makes it sound like there's a cure shirt. Be that these rounds, assuming they don't kill you outright, leave a toxic environment after use and immediately, and pretty much terminally, poison anyone wounded by them. Morgan wants terror and horror from this war. This is how you get it. Waste not, want not. Finally, why must people pick apart perfectly fun sci-fi with technicalities? If you want more realism, write and share it. Other products.